Dear Senator Johnson, I'd like to request that you schedule a town hall meeting in the Eau Claire area. We have some pressing issues here in our community, and your help is needed to collectively seek solutions. One issue is the evidence of deep poverty in the state. I'm a teacher at the prison in Stanley, and most of my students would be productive, tax-paying, involved citizens if it weren't for the lack of some fundamental necessities in their lives. Safe, affordable housing, an education that matches the requirements of the 21st century, jobs that pay at least a living wage, health care, good public transportation. I feel certain that 90% of my students would not be locked up if they started out with this basic foundation. Another important issue for me is to establish small but significant ways to welcome immigrant families to Wisconsin. We need them in order to survive economically. For instance, our dairy industry totally depends on immigrant labor. We also need them to infuse our schools, places of worship, and small businesses with their important contributions. They are vital to our imagination as Americans. The third big issue for me is clean water. The Great Lakes and our many rivers and small lakes are central to our history, identity, and values. The Native American tribes of this state have been centuries ahead of the rest of us in actively pursuing a vision that protects the waters for generations to come. We have to find ways to listen to them, work with them, and stand together. Sincerely, Terry Butler, Eau Claire.